In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot ChatGPT conversations effortlessly. Whether you're trying to save an important conversation or simply want to keep a record of your interactions, this guide will walk you through each step in a simple and straightforward manner, ensuring you have a perfect screenshot saved as a PDF in no time. First, let's start by opening your internet browser. Most likely, you have a go-to search engine like Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website among those results. Clicking on the link will bring you to the ChatGPT homepage. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the conversation you'd like to screenshot. This can be any conversation thread within your ChatGPT interactions that you need to save. Once you've found the desired conversation, go ahead and highlight the text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text you want to capture. Highlighting the section ensures that all the necessary parts of the conversation are included in your screenshot. With your conversation text highlighted, it's time to capture it. You'll need to use a keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and P at the same time if you're using a Windows-based PC. This will bring up the print settings for your browser. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the print dialog box, you will see a drop-down option labeled Destination. This is where you can choose how you want to save your document. From the drop-down, select Save as PDF. This option allows you to save the entire highlighted conversation as a PDF file on your computer. This method is particularly useful because it not only replicates the look and feel of a regular screenshot, but ensures you have a high-quality document that you can store, share, or print later on. After choosing Save as PDF, the final step is straightforward. Simply click the Save button. This will prompt a window to appear, asking you to choose where you'd like to save the PDF on your computer. Choose a location where you can easily find it later. Consider renaming the file to something memorable, like ChatGPT conversation with topic or name.pdf, so you can locate it quickly in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to screenshot ChatGPT conversations quickly by saving them as PDF documents. This method is a great way to ensure you have a precise record of your important conversations whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and happy conversing!